back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be part-time and only on the weekends, so it's perfect for those of you who work a Monday through Friday full-time job and you're just looking to make a little bit of side income. This is going to be in the evening overnight hours too, so you still have your Saturdays and Sundays to spend with your family, and then when they go to bed, you can make a little bit of side money. Today's job lead is from the company Honest. Now, they are a startup company. They only have 4 reviews so far on Glassdoor, but out of those reviews, they have a 3.9, so almost a 4 out of 5 star rating. And they are hiring a part-time overnight weekend customer support representative. This is remote for the United States only. And of course, if you're interested in applying, the links to their Glassdoor page as well as this application page will be linked in the YouTube description box below. But Honest Networks is a startup internet service provider. They're based out of New York City. They serve residential and commercial customers in the New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut area. They are looking for customer support to help existing subscribers and communicating with prospective subscribers. You will have to be communicating over phone, email, text, and live chat, and you are going to be required to respond quickly and professionally to all requests. It says the call volume for this shift, the night shift, is very low, but you need to be quick to respond. So that is one thing. You're not going to be stressed out with high volume of calls. You'll answer questions about their service from people interested in their service. You'll also help troubleshoot and solve any issues reported by the subscribers. You'll also help them manage their billing for their existing subscriptions. You'll update support documentation and training materials in your downtime, and you may occasionally have an administrative or a data entry task. Now, best thing about this, it is a part-time position of 20 hours per week. The hours are in Eastern Standard Time, so if you're outside of that time zone, convert your time zone to see if that'll work for you. But they're looking for someone to work 20 hours, Friday, 11 p.m. at night to 9 a.m. Saturday morning, and then Saturday, 11 p.m. at night to 9 a.m. Sunday morning. Just those 2 days. They are looking for someone who has superlative spoken and written communication skills, someone who can be friendly, compassionate, and patient with the customers, someone who is calm under pressure, quick and eager to learn, and greatly well organized. They don't require any kind of college degree or any kind of experience, although they do have a strong preference for candidates that have experience in troubleshooting internet or connectivity issues. They do state that it is not required. If this sounds like something you're interested in, they start pay anywhere from $19 an hour all the way up to $22 an hour. That is going to be based on location and experience. And of course, because this is a part-time position, they do not offer any benefits. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Give this video a thumbs up like button if you found it helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.